rat power. Oh, look under the hood of this thing. The only thing you can see is the air cleaner and the expansion tank for the radiator. That's Bill, Flatbroke Garage, and we're in Grenada, Mississippi. It's like small town Americas, man. I just love hitting little towns with like the town squares and stuff. And so many of them are dying. And this one's kind of coming back. There's a lot of little businesses popping up in here. But, you know, every time I go to a small town, I always trip over some old cars and stuff. It's cool. You got to take back roads. We took the Escape. The car just bought at the auction, and I think I got almost 2,000 miles on it now, and it's doing great. It really is. So it's a win there. But yeah, we're gonna have farmers market here, and I want to show you some cool cars that I found just driving around. Well, driving down the road, we see a gravel lot off on the side in the middle of nowhere, and it's like this guy goes to auctions. There's nobody here. There's a lot of cool cars here. Hope there's no dogs here. But look at Little Red Express. That Star Chief is really nice. She's the crew cab variety. These are all come out of an auction. It's a Lincoln Mark III. Chevy Cavalier. Fox body. A Corvair. And check this out. The GTO. That thing is awesome. It's pretty solid too. Last on the road looks like 95. He's got all kinds of stuff here. These all are auction cars. Grand Wagoneer. Got some rust on the trailer hitch. And look at this little doodlebug. Ford model AA truck made into a tractor. That's pretty cool. Another one back there. One under a tarp. I don't know if you can see. Look under the orange tarp. I don't know what that is, but that's kind of cool. Is that 73 or 72 vet? The chrome bumpers. I don't know. Pretty interesting little joint. Wonder who owns it. There's a TA back there too. It's a red Trans Am. 180D. You never know what you're gonna find, man. Just get on some back roads and look around. All kinds of stuff out here still.
I love the interior.
Yeah, that's
64 Thunderbird, true barn find. Check this thing out. It's been sitting in a barn forever. It's just a shame because instead of horsepower, it now has rat power. Oh, look under the hood of this thing. The only thing you can see is the air cleaner and the expansion tank for the radiator.
That's crazy.
The whole car is covered in rats.
Got a hole. Look like someone knocked a hole in the windshield.
So somebody put a Chevy engine in there. Rat powered.
Yeah, it's rat powered.
Big block.
Oh,
Push it all the way down.
that was it. It's as far as the rats would let you push the hood down.
Oh, that's just.
That's just shame.
Yeah, I love the car.
Well, you can find those around.
Check this thing out.
So you sacrifice that low end speed.
Poor thing, man.
Put like a 308 gear in it. We do 95 miles an hour all day long.
Well, guys, on the other side of the coin, we have my buddy Jimmy's car here, which is not a barn find. I just think it's an awesome 40 Ford. I like the color. The wheels go well with it too. Check out the hubcaps. You can get the deluxe hubcaps on it. It's well done. You know, it's not like over the top, but it's just perfect, at least to me. It's got a 350 Chevy, I think a 4L60E trans in it. And let me bring you inside here and show you. Check out the cool gauges. And the coolest part, look where they got the vintage air. The vintage air is mounted in the trunk. The vents come back out here. It's even got their frosters in it. Pretty clean car. Under the hood, it's just your basic small block Chevy. It's just clean. It's real orderly, tight. You don't see any wires. I mean, this car is way above my pay grade, but it definitely is something awesome. Just thought I'd share it while I was here hanging at my buddy's house, getting ready to get it out on the road. I just thought I'd throw a quick little video up, kind of some barn finds I found on my road trip. You know, nothing big. Show you a cool car. So if you're a subscriber, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you. Bye.